Hey everyone, Jess here with J. Hoffman Knives, doing another Knifemaker education video. And this one is for new knife makers that are looking to get drill bits. And a lot of times I see them go online, I see them go on the forums or on Facebook and ask, what's the best set of drill bits that I should get for making knives? And a lot of times, what they're thinking about buying is one of those index sets that's got 30 or 70 or 120 drill bits in it. And to me, that's a waste of money. I'm not saying that I didn't make that mistake myself, but I'm going to kind of go over in this video what I use for drill bits, why I use them, and how you can save a lot of money by doing it the way I do it. Okay, so first up is this little guy right here. And this is, I believe they call it a stub or a machine screw drill bit. And it's a little bit shorter, you can tell from the other drill bits. This is a size 29, and a 29 is just a little bit bigger than 1/8 inch. And I use this for drilling out the tangs on my knives. I like the shorter one because it's less likely to deflect. It's not going to bend as you're drilling in through the harder material. This is a cobalt drill bit. Just about every bit that I buy is going to be cobalt. I have bought carbide in the past, but I have pretty good luck with cobalt. So, and I buy these in packs of 12. I get them from bulk suppliers, and if you need those names, I can add those in the comments as to where I buy my drill bits. So this is what I use for drilling out my tangs. And I go over that 1/8 inch size because my pins are usually 1/8 inch, or the shaft on my Corby screws are 1/8 inch. And I find that after I heat treat, I generally have to clean them out a little bit, just because they've got a little decarb in there, or they've shrunk just a little bit. And I was cleaning them out with a Dremel bit. So I just started drilling them just a little bit oversized so that they fit, so that the 1/8 inch pins still fit in there. This is the next one that I use, and this is a size 30, which again is just a touch over 1/8 inch. I use this for drilling the holes on my handle materials. So anytime I'm drilling through G10 or micarta or wood handles, I'm using these. It's not going to deflect so much because it's drilling a much softer material, and I need that extra length to get through thicker material, 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch thick handle materials, two pieces put together. I need this longer drill bit. With the shorter one, you're just drilling through a piece of steel that's 1/8 inch, so it doesn't matter how long it is. The next one that I use, and this is a size 11, which is just a touch over 3/16. And I use this for drilling out holes in my tangs for lightning holes. And you'll notice that this one is not cobalt, this is a black oxide. And that's simply because I found a guy who had a whole ton of these for sale. And I think I paid 20 cents a piece for them. I bought 100 of them or so. And they work well, but it's a size 11. I use that size. And then this last one is a specialized bit, and it is a brad point bit. You'll notice it's got the center brad there. And this I use for drilling out holes on Kydex sheaths when I'm putting in Kydex eyelets. I use this. This seems to work really well on Kydex. It cuts well, and that point lets you get dead center, and it doesn't seem to move around at all when you're drilling it. So those are the four main bits that I use, and the brad point, that'll last for damn near ever. It's just drilling Kydex, so they don't really get dull very much, and they seem to last a long time. I've had this one the entire time I've been making knives, so, and it still does the job just fine. The other ones, if you buy a big enough index of drill bits, you're going to get every one of those other ones that I got, or that I use on a regular basis. The problem is you're only going to get one of them. So when it breaks or it goes dull, and you need it, it's going to be gone. You can maybe substitute one of the other ones that are close in size, but to me, it's more economical to buy the four drill bits that I need, or the three that I need mostly, in sets of 12. I get a discount price by buying them in sets of 12, and to me, it just works out well. Another thing, I do not sharpen drill bits. When they go dull, I just toss them out. I've sharpened some bigger ones, like 3/8 inch ones, on my disc grinder back there, but for the most part, the 1/8 inch size or 3/16 size, I just toss those out when they go dull. It just doesn't pay for me to try to learn how to sharpen them. But maybe someday that's something I'll pick up. I hope this information was good. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will try to add the name of the company that I use in the call notes for buying bulk drill bits and just about any cutting tool that you need. Everybody have a safe day, and we'll talk to you later.